I'm going to tell you how to speed up Facebook videos that all entrepreneurs, employees, and e-learners need to know. Listen to the end because I have a special bonus for you as well. I'm Kendall Matthews. Let's ramp up right now. Google Chrome Web Store. So the Google Chrome Web Store and get the extensions. So you'll see I'm at the web store now for you. Go to search extensions, type in video, speed, controller. Well, once you do that, you might need to click on this more extensions. But once you do that, you scroll down and this is the one that you want, the video speed controller. Here's what it looks like. Over 2,000 reviews from this gentleman here. What you'll see from this overlay on all the videos. So this overlay is going to be on all your videos now, especially when you go to Facebook. So here's an example. When you go to Facebook page, any page, you'll see that overlay right there. That's what you want to look for, and you can make things go faster. So watch this. You scroll over and then look at that. Any web page. So it's just not Facebook. So watch this. I have CNBC already lined up. 1.70. You click play, and then what you want to do is just watch how fast he's speaking now. So any video will be able to go a little bit faster for you so you can get through a lot of your studying, a lot of your research, and a lot of the things that you want to do to learn more through video. Before you go, as a thank you for making it this far in the video, if you are a retail entrepreneur or a business owner with employees, then take my 5-day Pivot and Ramp Up Business Challenge valued at $249 absolutely free. Go to the description and comment section below for the link to get more information. I'm Kendall Matthews, and if you found this video on how to speed up Facebook videos useful, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Ramp up and keep moving forward.